Hello everyone, we have written a project that based on MATLAB simulation. The title of our project is Simulation of Fuel Cell for Generating Power. In my group, the are four members, myself, Romaniket, Neha Tribon, Nikhil Watney, and Sheila Vaishnavi. So firstly, we need to know that what is fuel cell and how it works. The fuel cell is an electrochemical cell that converts the chemical energy.
Now let's start designing our model in MATLAB Simulink software. We can get all the components in our library browser. So with the help of library browser, we have add all the components that are required for simulation. The main component is our fuel cell stack. With the help of right click, we add fuel cell stack in the editor window. Now let's look for other component. Here we add many components as you can see in this video. Now let's separate all the components as organized manner. Here we use many components like bus selector, min-max block, load register, current measurement and voltage measurement block, etc. Here we select stack efficiency, voltage and current for bus selector and apply it. Then this bus selector connect it to the main fuel cell. Then this bus select Then connect this bus selected to the main fuel cell. Now we have to change the value for max to max block. We adjust the number of input ports as 2 and this block also connect to the fuel cell. Then we have add scope 1 and scope 2 for measurement purpose. Further part explained by Vaishnav Shila.
Then let's scan the go to block to scope 1. We have our MATLAB function. It's a automatically function for 3. We want to one more component. Then that's why is copied. Then let's change our value for fuel cell stack. Uh, Hereby choosing this first cell power and then voltage, and we need to the flow rate and air row rate now. Now let's connect to our MATLAB function to the fuel cell stack. Then we cannot the minimum clock to the both the we have to add equation in MATLAB function. As you can see, it is the on screen. We copy this equation and paste it into 60 minutes the MATLAB function. Now close the loop of the current. Then have adjust the equation box here. Then we cannot voltage measurement component to the load resistance, which is the connect to the fuel cell stack. Then we connected the scope 2 block to the voltage measurement component, which is used to for measurement. The you can see have adjust all the value and components. How let's check and simulate air model. Check the result with positive half of scope 1, black which is the used for the measurement, and the end you can see stock efficiency, voltage is current, window which is the produced by fuel.
The following are benefits of the project. First, high efficiency. When utilizing cogeneration, fuels can attain over 80% energy efficiency. Second, good reliability. Quality of power provided does not degrade over time. Third, noise offers a much more silent and smooth alternative to conventional energy production. Fourth, environmentally beneficial, greatly reduce CO2 and harmful pollutant emission. Fifth, size reduction. Fuel cells are significantly lighter and more compact. So the conclusion for project is hydrogen fuel cells are a promising alternative to current automobile fuels. They efficiently combine the energy density and the convenience of liquid fuel with the clean and efficient operation of electric vehicle. Although certain aspects of the technology such as efficient on-board storage still require some improvement, there are no reason why hydrogen couldn't become an equally convenient and attractive transportation fuel as diesel or gasoline are today.